be so ya Dr. Bawumia who believe on your principles. Because they cannot say you cannot need MPP. That is the data. You cannot need the MPP. Total rejection of 71%. Professor Albert Dubois, when you total rejection of 71%. As you use in chain, the first time when you total rejection of 71%. Nana Adodanko Kufuado, when you 71% of total rejection. So when you talk about that one on principle or on data, Dr. Bawumia is speaking to you on data. Data, it doesn't say that. It doesn't. So on principle, what are you coming to do again? That will convince the ordinary people, say, fellow delegates should vote for you again to come. Obviously, all stakes are saying, say, we need a new direction. We need a new direction. As a leader, I'm sure, sir, you say, MPP, practice, say, fascism. Only fascism. Papa, you buy Italy, near friend Mussolini. No. The only say, or Kwani, IB, ADGB, or say, Mussolini, Sampre Aragon. Mussolini, Sampre Aragon. As a leader, he's always right. Dr. Bawumia, don't allow yourself for people to portray you within the MPP as a Mussolini leader. You've never done any wrong. All the rest of everybody is wrong. Then you are always right, including your mentor, the political leader, or don't bow into the political limelight. And the Kufuado, you to be kase, na policy do why Kufuado there, na one out the buy. But the right thing there, a banner say, yan Delegate, yan do close by near German. You're careful because people are keenly watching. Ghanaians are watching. I don't know who is your strategist. I don't know who is thinking for you in terms of political strategy. You are a very smart man, and there's no doubt about that. You're a very intelligent man, no doubt about that. But sometimes, in politics, when you lead a group of people and you hear voices coming from all angles, now when you answer the third time, you'll be heading towards the wrong direction. That will lead you into a political obituary.
It was such a wide your comment section or let's share video we.
The program, Vice President Dr. Bawumia, almost because every year already fans near the Nakwapan. I didn't Kennedy or here the phone, almost Dr. Bawumia, almost Dr. Duku, almost this is the Dukrada come almost as far as the Duku. But this one, I'm 100% sure. That's to organize a tent and organize it well. Then to look around for your months, ready for say. Oh, if I only Okia say an answer on a account of Mutuka, no, so for my almost one now, Massy. Now, my Bako, echo runs the stadium. You are not fancy, your coffin for the Bromont to abandon the Kurabe or evidence, except touching the Sankotan, Crofun, Capital for Buffy.
MPP Delegate Conference in on the 19th of July weekend. You will say aspirant MPP 2028 election. Primaries 31st January 2026. Outside the stadium, Honorable Japan Eba, the supporters Ebo Jim so. Samson Dr. Bawumia also about the same thing. Dr. Brian Champon. Dr. Yao say Educhu. Obia go for Eboji also for outside the stadium. Now inside the stadium and honorable Stephen Amwa sticker HS oh problem if you said Dr. Bawumia Ekasawi ya man stadium munyira defense nina just say Osusu say NKE as a yadini state conference no or more STG mani pabako. Sasa we na honorable say chairman sabonsu HS say enya no credit and say master canon ono de woni ne nya adwere ba ko sei na nsema stika kan ni sade adwuma de ni course na Dr Bawumia ebe kasae ewieye na oje ne fans wo stadium wonu nyina ewieye no opanyi ba ko a ehu se omo one ne nkofo epi abonte e wona bokan Japan omo pie abonte de na chachi ewie eno mo pie na wo pie na mhwe mo diman na mo se no ampa na chese ona wo kan Japan camp no na omo ni nje on the course no omo ko before say program no kwa na ye be pon
Was in the office, and I felt that I needed to come in to add my voice for us to find a way forward. So, Speaker, I'm not going to talk law. I'm not going to talk procedure. I'm going to talk practice. The fortunate thing both sides have as their equity is that both sides have once been in government before. The practice, as I know, is that ministers of state, and I say so with a lot of deference to you, my respected colleague Akando, ministers of state do prior engagement. There's a good reason why we have 5 leaders and we have committee leaders. Mr. Speaker, some of these urgent matters coming from cabinet, you do prior discussion. I have been with my colleague, the majority leader, all day today. No such communication regarding this government policy was discussed with me. No such discussion. Mr. Speaker, there is this mindset: we are majority, we will have our way. And when, don't worry, do your, of course, whether you are even up to 30 here. And it's like, oh, the minority, if you want to assert yourself, then they take you to social media that you're obstructing government business. Colleagues, that at the time, the 5 of us here took that responsibility. We knew that insults were part of it. I in particular. So it's not about who says what in social media against me. In as long as I know my conscience is clear, I leave this chamber, I will attend my evening mass, go and pray to my God, take my communion, and go and sleep. I don't care about somebody insulting me or somebody's propaganda. Let us serve our country. If you have an important policy like the healthcare, an honorable minister, with the greatest respect, you and I, we have our own esprit de corps. We have a relationship. None of you here is an enemy to us. Have we engaged for us to even appreciate? I won't mention that minister's name, but there's only one minister who, when even he has difficult situation, will come for discussion and let you know what it is. I just had a briefing from my colleague on this matter. Roxanne, with respect, our job is to help you function. Our job in minority, you were telling people to be quiet. You were telling people to be quiet. You were telling people to be quiet, Roxanne. Eche, he who comes to equity must do equity. You must hear me. We are in this together. And the right thing must be done. Mr. Speaker, even as they are pushing, I heard the rules. I don't want to talk about the rules. You cannot place something on nothing, it will fall. The rule talks about laying. Any member can lay. But something must trigger. The document must be wholesome before it is laid. A document cannot appear with a signature. Which signature we don't know whose is it. Then you say that it's been signed by any member, so it's been signed for the chairman, so it has to be laid. I don't want to place too much emphasis on law, but today is not your last day of doing business, Chief Whip. Whatever discussion you claim to have had, I do not think that it was sufficient enough to carry the House on board. It is not sufficient enough to carry all of us on board. Besides, look at your numbers. You say you are coming to do something under certificate of urgency. On your own side. On your own side. And if you check in this chamber, do we even have the quorum to sit, let alone quorum to take decisions? So I would plead with you. It is your government policy. It is your government. You have your priorities. Nobody will stand in your way. But let us allow consensus for this. This is democracy. This is democracy. Nobody is stampeding you on this side of the house. In fact, our ranking, Dr. Ayuefriye, is the most reasonable ranking you can have. Maybe at the risk of making a disclosure.